everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our 10.25-inch Android screen that we did in a 2009 Audi A6. And we add backup camera. That's our universal leaf mount. This is how the unit looks like, and it comes with a bracket. The screen came off and it retained all the buttons for opening the glove box compartment and the rest of functioning buttons. So it retains the MMI knob function, so I can use the knob to scroll the aftermarket menu, and also I can go to the factory MMI, and by touching the screen I can go back to aftermarket menu. By going to reverse, it shifts to backup camera with dynamic parking guidelines. All the apps are here. I can scroll through the apps. Play Store here, you can download any apps that you like. And the other function that I want to show you is the USB dongle for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Right now we are connected to Android phone. And this is the latest Android Auto layout. Waze is there, podcast, Spotify, phone, and you can go back to the main menu. Maps are here, Google Maps, so you can use Google Maps and it reads the data from your phone. Spotify is on Google Maps too, so you can listen to the music. And Waze is here. That's where we are located, 160 Conrad Crescent. And also the same dongle can do Apple CarPlay as well. So by connecting the lightning cable to iPhone, we can do Apple CarPlay. Again, same thing. Google Maps is there. Waze is here. And the other apps that Apple lets you to use for Apple CarPlay. If you're interested to get these type of units for your Audi A6, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca.